Okay, dear students, this class we shall devote to Invitation to English Book 2. It is page 51 and the topic is the one and only Houdin. The one and only Houdin. Okay, it is about Houdin. Let us analyze the title of the topic. The one and only Houdin. It is Harry Houdin. It is Harry Houdin, and he is a magician. Houdin is a magician, and the title of the topic is the one and only Houdin. What is that? Means only Houdin can do this. The meaning of the title is only the magician Harry Houdin can do this, no other person can do it. Okay? Only Harry Houdin can do it, but no other person can do it. That is why the title is the one and only Houdin. Houdin is the only one person who can do it. Okay, this is the title. You see, Harry Houdin is a magician. Do you know magicians? Do you know magic? Okay, the magician says, "Oh, Nama Nama," and chandan powder comes from the palm. And magician says, okay, see, the dog is going on the stage. The dog is going on the stage. And means magicians do wonderful things. Asarjajanaka. Magicians do wonderful things. And here, Harry Houdin is the magician who does wonder. Who does wonder. It is, and this topic deals with one incident, Ghatana, about Harry Houdin's magic play. It is not magic, something physical, magic play, but it is magical. It is magical. Students, have you heard the name of that Kibana, West Bengal, one magician from West Bengal? I will tell you. And magicians can do wonder, and Harry Houdin did the wonder, and it is in America. The wonder happened in the New York City, America. New York City, in the campus of Shelton Hotel. In New York City, America's New York, there is a big hotel. The name of the hotel is Shelton Hotel. And in the Shelton Hotel, there is a big pool. Big pool. Pokhori. Okay, hotel thai pools. The customers swim in the pool. Okay, big pool. And what are the situation? That day, people gathered on the bank of the pool. On the bank of the pool, because a wonderful thing was going to happen. Acha. We see there was a reporter among the people who gathered on the bank of the pool. There was a reporter His name was Collins. Collins. Okay. अच्छा. And sorry, there was among the people who gathered on the bank of the swimming pool at Hotel Shelton, there was James Collins. James, a person was there, James Collins. He was Houdin's personal assistant. He was Houdin's personal assistant. He was giving information about Houdin, Harry Houdin, to others. One is Collins, James Collins, Houdin's personal assistant. Collins. Another was a doctor, Dr. McConnell. Another was a doctor, Dr. McConnell. And another person was Joseph Reen. The timekeeper. Okay? Joseph Reen. The timekeeper. And people gathered on the bank of the pool. And there was one iron box there. There was one iron box there. In the iron box, there was a telephone and alarm bell with batteries. Batteries were attached to the alarm bell because it will function. And people were waiting for Houdin's wonderful magic. Wonderful magic. Then came Houdin's, Harry Houdin. Then came Harry Houdin. What was his dress? He was in a black swimming suit, black swimming dress. Harry Houdin was in black swimming dress. He was 52 years old, but he was in good health. Okay? And what he was, and the iron box was tightly nailed. Nailed अर्थ कौन? ये जो कंटा बाड़ी है कि पूरा टाइट करा जीवा. The iron box was tightly nailed. What was to be done by Houdin? Houdin will be in black swimming dress. Houdin will be inside the iron box. Okay? And it will be covered very tightly, nailed tightly. Means air will not enter into the box. And he will stay there inside the iron box or iron casket or the iron coffin without air for a long period. For a long period. Students, we are living, I mean, because we breathe. Breathe is what? Nishwas neba. Yes or no? And for breathing, we need air. We cannot live without air. कहला गोटे पूरा टाइट घरे आमको रखीदे नो एयर केस बचिवा. Science says only 3 minutes. Science says we will live without air only for 3 minutes because our breathing nishwas prashwas neba will stop. But here Harry Houdin was going to perform the wonder. Perform the wonder. He will be inside the box. The box was tightly sealed. Okay, he was inside the box. The box was tightly sealed and it was on the water. On the water of the pool. Then without getting air, Pavana, how long he will be there? People wondered. And the doctor tested his blood pressure. It was okay. His breathing, it was okay. His assistant, James Collins, said, okay, he is okay. He is okay. And people were gathering and Houdin was inside the box. Houdin was inside the box. The box was kept on water and over the box to keep the box in balance. Kale pani re budi jibo, bhasi jibo. To keep the box in balance, some swimmers stood on the box. Stood on the box to keep the box in balance. And the great magician who was inside the box, the box was tightly sealed. Only there was a telephone, there was a calling bell, bell, and there was no air. So it was a wonder. It was a wonder. The man is inside the box, iron box, inside the casket, CASKET, bus box, or inside the coffin without air. Okay, and the writer Robert Lado speaks about also the life of Houdin. Actually, his name was Erich Weiss. EHRISH WEISS. His name was, family name was Erich Weiss. He belonged to the place Appleton in America. Wisconsin, Appleton in America. He was born in the year 1874. What was his father? His father was a Jewish priest. Priest अर्थ कौन कही पूजक. His father was priest for the Jews. Jewish priest. अच्छा. And Harry Houdin has control over his body. Control over his body. अच्छा. Breathing. Control over his arms. He was moving the arms different way. As when he was young, he worked with a locksmith. Lock अर्थ कौन LOCK? चाबी ताला. नाउन है चाबी ताला. लॉक रे भर बेला ताला पकेइबा. ना अच्छा भाव. Locksmith. He knew the technique of opening handcuffs with small instruments. Acha. There was a magician, Robert Houdin. The Erich Weiss read a lot about the magic of the French magician Robert Houdin. Then he thought, oh, if the French magician Robert Houdin is a great magician, why should not I be? Let me try magic to be a magician. So he changed his name. From Erich Weiss to Harry Houdin. Harry Houdins and performed magic. Performed magic. There was a reporter of the newspaper. He said, Harry Houdin married Bessie, Bessie. Bessie. She was also a magician. Bessie was also a magician. So both husband and wife were magicians. It is about okay. Now, what is the situation? Harry Houdin was inside the box, inside the casket, sealed casket, tightly sealed, पूरा tight कंटा बढ़िया है. Sealed casket, air cannot enter into it. It was floating on the pool, and swimmers were standing on the casket to keep it in balance. Okay? And you see, the doctor thought people can stay without breathing, without taking air, only for 3 minutes. Only for 3 minutes. But how can Houdin stay for a long time inside the casket without air? Without air. So you see, people were watching. In between, 5 minutes passed. Inside, 5 minutes passed. Okay? Acha. Reen, the timekeeper, informed that then 5 minutes then they were watching and watching. Then 20 minutes. Then 20 minutes. So when 20 minutes passed, everybody was in tension. Everybody was in tension. Oh, the man Houdin is inside the box without air for 20 minutes. For 20 minutes. And inside the box, he was handcuffed. Like this. He was chained. Chain re bandha haithila. Chain re bandha haithila. And he was in the wooden box. Wooden box. The box. And Houdin accepted the challenge. Accepted the challenge. Acha. Because he made the practice to be inside the box for 3 weeks. For 3 weeks. 3 weeks. He made the practice to stay inside the sealed box without air for 3 weeks. Acha. Then 25 minutes. The reporter is full of tension. And he says, okay, his muscles artha kona re pile masapeshi. Houdin's muscles are very strong, very strong. He moves inside the jacket at the time of relaxation. Strong. He was inside the swimming suit, swimming dress. He moves inside the suit. The reporter says, okay, there is only one Houdin in the world who can do this, because now he is inside the sealed box. Inside the sealed box for 25 minutes without air. Because he has no air to breathe. No air to breathe. 30 minutes passed. 30 minutes passed. People were in tension. Okay? The man is inside the sealed box without air, without taking breath, निश्वास न for 30 minutes. Acha. The swimmers who were standing on the box, for 30 minutes, they lost balance. They lost balance. One swimmer, everybody lost balance. So the box has moved quietly above the water level. Box कौन होता है? balance हरेला, empty है water level. Water level आता है पुन जाता है, आता है पुन जाता है. You mark the serious situation. Serious. 30 minutes the man is inside the box. Harry Houdin the magician, and the box is bubbling. Swimmers are who are standing on the box. They lose balance. Everybody is worried. The reporter also is worried. He asks James Collins, Houdin's assistant. Assistant, okay, what is his condition? How he is for 30 minutes inside the box? Collins says, okay, Houdin is fine. Why? Because Houdin has taken serious training for 3 weeks for the work. For the work. Then 40 minutes. The reporter says Houdin had wonderful stomach. Stomach artha kon? Pakastoli. Stomach muscles very hard. If you attack it with a fist, you make the punch with the fist, it cannot move back. The muscles are very fast. His body muscles are very strong. So, he is a strong man. Then 45 minutes. Students, Harry Houdin was inside the sealed box for 45 minutes. The box is floating on the water of the pool. Swimmers are standing on the box gradually for 45 minutes. They are losing balance. Everybody is in tension. What is happening here? How is Harry Houdin? But the reporter says he is okay. His assistant Collins says he is okay. But everybody is in tension. Acha. Everybody was thinking about Houdin's life. Okay, the man is in the sealed box for 45 minutes. Oh God, save him. He cannot breathe, and because he cannot breathe, he cannot live. Okay? Everybody is nervous. And the Dr. McConnell, is extremely nervous, full of tension. The reporter inquires of Dr. Collin about Houdin's present condition. The doctor says, I don't know the present condition of Houdin inside the box. Inside the box. 50 minutes. 50 minutes passed and Houdin is inside the sealed box. Houdin is inside the sealed box. Other reporters, they were also there. Everybody was in tension. Time does not wait for anybody. Time moves on. We cannot stop time. 50 minutes. So, the time reporter announces in the mic, 50 minutes. Means for 50 minutes, Harry Houdin was inside the sealed casket or sealed coffin or the sealed box. And everybody was looking grim. Students, grim, serious, nervous. Everybody was looking grim, serious and nervous. Okay? Acha. A group of grim-looking doctors seemed to arguing with James Collins. James Collins is assistant. The doctors argued with James Collins. Why don't you take steps to bring Houdin out of the box? तुम क्या Houdin के box रू बाहर करो ना? 50 minutes have passed. The man is inside the box. The box is sealed. No air goes into the box. Collins says, okay, I am helpless. I can do nothing. I can do nothing. Houdin is inside the box. It is his will. Will or icha. Then the doctor advises pull-ins to pull out Houdin. Pull out what? Tanikir bahar kariba. To pull out Houdin out of the box. Out of the box. When an hour is up, he says, when it is 1 hour, now it is 50 minutes. 10 minutes left for 1 hour. When it belongs 1 hour, you pull Houdin out of the box. Otherwise, he will die. Asha. But Collins says no. He is adamant. Collins says no. I cannot pull him out of the box. He will come out of the box by his own will. Nijo ichhare asibo. By his own will. Then the doctor says, you are his assistant, you are his junior, but you don't follow my advice. I am the doctor. I know the health rules. I say you pull out Houdin of the box when it is 1 hour. Only 10 minutes left. Instead of obeying me, obey artha maniva, you are arguing with me, you are adamant, and he says, you say you can do nothing. It is very bad. It is very bad. you take my advice. You take my advice and pull him out of the box when it is 1 hour. Okay? Because everybody is in anxiety. Anxiety अर्थ कौन? विचलित अवस्था. ANXIETY. Okay? Anxiety. But Collins did not agree. In order to satisfy the doctor, Collins contacted Houdin because there was a telephone inside the box. Contacted Houdin and said Houdin, okay, Mr. Houdin, the doctor says you should come out of the box. Come out of the box because, or come out of the casket. Because 1 hour has passed. But Houdin replies to Collins, okay Collins, I am okay. Inside the box, I am okay. You say the doctor not to worry about. So Collins says, sir, Houdin is in good position. It is a good news that Houdin is in good position. He is okay. He does not want to come out. Houdin is doing well. But the reporter, newspaper reporter, is full of anxiety. Then what? In course of time, so everybody thought Houdin was an amazing man. फिर अमेज अर्थ कौन? AMAZE. आश्चर्य करिबा, आश्चर्य हबा. So they said, okay, Houdin was an amazing man. Amazing man. अच्छा. Now, in course of their conversation, another 13 minutes passed. Means now it is 1 hour and 13 minutes. घंटे 13 मिनट. कितना रे पिले? 73 minutes. For 73 minutes, Houdin is inside the box. Collins got a call from Houdin. What was the matter? The box had developed a leak. Leak अर्थ कौन? एटा लीक करिगला. पानी गलिबा. एटा गोटे कौन होइछि? बॉक्स रे गोटे जगह लीक हे गला, कोना हे जाइछि. Okay, developed a leak and only a slight trickle of water was entering. Trickle अर्थ कौन? थप पड़िबा. थप पड़िबा. कला से Houdin informed Collins, okay, the box has developed a leak. गोट जगह कोना हे जाइछि. A slight, एकदम कम trickle of water. टे पानी ठप ठप होइकरी हाँ was entering into the box. So when everybody heard it, what was the situation? Everybody was terrified. Everybody was terrified. TRRIFY माने भयभीत हेबा. Everybody thought the box might sink into water. SINK sink तो कौन पानी रे बुड़ी जीवा. Sink into water and there is no hope for Houdin to continue life or to live huh or to live. In the meantime but he said, who said? Houdin said, don't worry. Acha. Houdin said that you tell others there is no danger for me. There is no danger for me. When the reporter heard it, that water is trickling into the box, pani thopa paduche, but Houdin says there is no danger for me. So Houdin has a knob of steel. Pile steel अर्थ कौन इस्पात strong no steel body हमें कौन है से कहले Houdin रा body is steel body, steel body. Okay, Houdin says that my condition is stable and the doctor knows Houdin manages to cope with the situation, cope with the danger and nothing is there to fear. Okay, now it is 90 minutes, 1 hour and 30 minutes, deda ghanta. For 90 minutes, Houdin was inside the box. Then he said them to open the box after 1 hour and 30 minutes. Science says a man can live without water, live without air for 3 minutes, or a man can live without breathing for 3 minutes. But here Harry Houdin stayed inside the box without air for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Is not it wonderful? Yes, it is wonderful. And and Harry Houdin is a great magician. You know, in West Bengal there was a great magician, PC Sarkar. I have seen his magic performances in Bhubaneswar in Rabindra Mandap. He was a great magician. He was doing wonders on the stage. So what do the magicians do? The magicians do wonders. And wonder bale kon ascharjakar ghatana. And here the great magician Harry Houdin did the wonder. What are the wonder? He stayed inside the sealed, pura chariadu seal heichi, tightly nailed. Konta bade pura tight hei jaichi. iron box for 90 minutes. Means 1 hour and 30 minutes. Is it not a magic? Yes, it is a magic. It is very wonderful act that he performed. How? Because he made the practice for 3 weeks. How to control the breath. निश्वास केमती कंट्रोल करिवा. How to control the breathing. Control the breathing. So he controlled the breathing and stayed there. And you see the yoga gurus like your Ramdev, Baba Ramdev. They are controlling the breath. I don't know if he controls for 1 and 30 minutes, but your Harry Houdins controlled the breath for 1 hour and 30 minutes means 90 minutes. Is it not a magic act? Yes, it is very, very magical. So he is a great magician. Acha. After 90 minutes, 1 hour and 30 minutes, the box was opened. Everybody was in fear, disbelief, abhiswas that Houdin was not in good condition inside the box. But when the box opened, what happened? Houdin came out of the box. In flying colors. Mane, he successfully, in good physical condition, in good health, he came out of the box, staying inside it for 90 minutes or 1 hour and 30 minutes. The reporter, so everybody was stunned. Stunned pile STUN. आश्चर्य है. Everybody was stunned, looking with wide eyes. बड़ बड़ आखि के तक चाहिले. Is the man living? Yes, he is living. He is Harry Houdins. And the reporter said, what? Everybody congratulated him. Congratulator तो कौन? संबर्धना करिवा. Okay, you did a great job. The reporter congratulated him. He is for his great achievement, for his great success. What are the success? The success of remaining inside the sealed box without breathing for 1.5 hours or 90 minutes. 90? But Houdin was looking calm. Houdin was looking calm. So the reporter says, you are a fantastic man. You are Mr. Houdin, you are a fantastic man. Mr. Harry Houdin. Tamo bhali au ke naanti, you are a fantastic man. So students, this topic, the one and only Houdin, the title means only Houdin can do it. Only Houdin can do this magical act. What are the magical act? To stay inside the sealed box without air to breathe. Without air to breathe for 90 minutes or 1 hour and 30 minutes. It is the title. Nobody can do it. And Houdin has made a rigorous practice for this. And he learnt it reading the book of the French magician Robert Houdin, changed his name from Erich Oes to Harry Houdin, practiced magic. He married Bessie, and his wife Bessie also is a magician. So both the husband and wife practiced magic and became successful. So it is the title. The title gives importance to Houdin's magical act. Okay? What was the time? The place was New York's Hotel Shelton. In the pool of Hotel Shelton in New York. And it was August 5, 1926. August 5, 1926. The day was 5th August 1926. The place was Hotel Shelton in New York City. And the particular place was the pool inside Hotel Shelton. People gathered there. Among them was James Collins, Houdin's assistant, Dr. Mark Cornell, to check the health of Harry Houdin's, and another was Joseph Reen, the official timekeeper, means to report the time Houdin is inside the box. And also there was a reporter, there were other reporters, there were other people who gathered on the bank of the pool. What was inside the box? Inside the box there was a telephone, so that Houdin can talk to others and others can talk to Houdin. And one alarm bell with batteries. One alarm bell with batteries. So that Houdin can ring the alarm bell. Acha. What was the performance? The performance was, it was the magical performance. The magical performance was, Houdin will stay inside the sealed iron box, the casket or the coffin. The box was completely nailed. कंटा बाड़ी है कि पूरा टाइट है, एयर जीवन नहीं. Houdin was in black swimming pool, a swimming dress. He went into the box, sealed box. The box was totally sealed. His hands were, he was handcuffed. ताता एमती रहिला. He was chained. बड़ी बड़ा के chain नहीं रहिला, रहिबो. But he was moving. Everybody was in wonder. Because science says a man can stay without breathing only for 3 minutes. So let us experiment how long Houdin is staying there. How long Houdin is staying there. And in order to keep the box in balance, some swimmers, they stood on the box to keep it in balance so that the box cannot move on water. Move on water. Okay. So Houdin thanked everybody, got inside the box because he was going to disprove that the theory, se theory ki michha kari mane pramanito karibe, a man would live only 3 minutes without air. Gote loko without air re 3 minutes banchi paribo, tatu adhika samay banchi paribo nahi. But what? Houdin disproved it. Houdin taku asatya pramanito karidele. Houdin was inside the box. Then it was tightly sealed. A team of swimmers stood on the box before it was sent into water. Okay? It was put on water of the pool. The swimmers were instructed to keep the box level beneath the surface of the water, as a result of which Houdin will not be moved backward and forward. Kale box water surface re box rakithibo. ଆଉ ଯଦି move କରିବ ଏପଟ ସେପଟ କରିବ, Houdin will move forward and backward and he will feel trouble. अच्छा. Houdin wanted to make success so that his success should come out in all the newspapers in the world. In the world. Asha. And there was also the reporter. The reporter knew about Houdin's past. He was the son of a priest, Jewish priest. His name was Erich Oes. He was working with a locksmith, chabi dokani, chabi je tiyari kare. And he read about the magic work of Robert Houdin, the French magician. He got interested to be a magician. So he changed his name from Erich Oes to Harry Houdin. Harry Houdin. He got married. The lady, her name was Bessie. Bessie. She was also a magician. She helped her husband to perform good magic. And he was a successful magician, not a magician. He practiced the art of controlling his breath. So he entered into the box. The box was there on the water. So time rolled on. Everybody was in panic. Panic karta bhaya. Dakichi. Everybody was in panic. What will happen to the man? 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. When 1 hour passed, everybody got panic. The doctor also. Then 1 hour, 15 minutes. The doctor, out of fear, out of panic, told Collins, okay, you say Houdin to come out. Collins talked to Houdin. Houdin said, I am okay. You don't bother. So Collins said to the doctor, you don't bother, sir. Houdin is okay. The doctor got angry. What do you say? The man is inside the box for 1 hour and 15 minutes. He might be in a difficult situation, but you say not to bother. In between, 1 hour 30 minutes passed. 1 hour 30 minutes passed, 90 minutes. Everybody was in panic. Okay? What to do, what to do, what to do? And then came the solution. What? There was a leak. There were some leaks in the box. And small drops of water were falling. So, Houdin telephoned Collins to what? Open the box so that he may come out. So in 90 minutes he came out of the box. He was calm and quiet, nothing worried, nothing to worry about. And the reporter congratulated him. Congratulations, Mr. Harry Houdin, for your great work. Congratulations, Harry Houdin, for your great magical work. You stayed inside the sealed box for 1 hour and 30 minutes. 1 hour and 90 minutes. And you came out safe. And you are a fantastic man. You are a very fantastic man, Mr. Harry Houdin. So the topic is the one and only Houdin means only Houdin can do it. Can stay inside the sealed box without air, without breathing for 90 minutes or 1 hour and 30 minutes because he took control of his breathing, Okay? Thank you. This is the topic. Thank you, students. କେତେ ସମୟ ହେଲା 50 ମିନିଟ୍